Services were held tonight at two Catholic churches that lost members in that deadly bus crash. 5 of the victims were from the Vietnamese Martyrs Church. Their caskets, draped in red roses, were carried into the sanctuary one by one. On the opposite end of Houston, at Our Lady of Lavang Church, 6 victims were honored. The granddaughter of one victim shared some fond memories.
Yeah, my grandpa was a religious, funny, positive man. He was really nice. He was family-oriented, and he loved all of us.
And they loved him. It will be a long week of mourning for the Vietnamese community. Funerals for the 17 victims continue through this week.
That bus crash has already spawned a lawsuit. A man whose wife is in critical condition filed it. He was too broken up to talk with us, but his son spoke with 11 News reporter Courtney Zabowski.
And to have a say.
The last 5 days have been nothing but a blur for Peter Pham.
How can this happen? You know, we want to find out the truth.
He's gone from Houston to the site of the deadly bus crash in Sherman to the hospital in Dallas and back. Time got away. He hasn't changed his clothes since last Friday.
I just haven't got a chance to go home and change at all.
Peter Pham walked into this Harris County courtroom today on behalf of his father, who has filed a lawsuit on behalf of his mother, Big Tron. Big Tron is in critical condition at a hospital in Dallas. Big Tron's mother, Cham Nguyen, and her sister, Catherine Nguyen, died in the crash.
Hopefully we can find out the answer of, why is this thing happened, and, maybe preventing from the future, anything like this happen in the future.
The lawsuit names the bus company, Angel Tours Incorporated, and the manufacturer of the bus, Motor Coach Industries. The Phams are suing for an unspecified amount of damages, but today they were very specific in what they asked for in front of a judge.
We don't know right now if the bus is being stored outside or inside. We don't know where the tire is. Has the tire been taken off the wheel? We'd like to be part of all that and to have a say in how that evidence is preserved.
A judge today granted the request for a temporary restraining order.
We want. Thank you.
And now this group will have access to the evidence. They say it's a small victory for a family in what follows one of the largest wrecks in Texas history.
Attorneys are expecting other lawsuits to be filed in connection with this crash. This temporary restraining order preserves the evidence for all lawsuits that may be filed. Courtney Zabowski, 11 News.